Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pushcut for home automation. So I will just tab on a Pushcut notification from here. So the number one is I will just create a new Pushcut notification from the top right corner of plus icon. I will just tab on it, and from here it will say that I will just buy the subscription of monthly, annual or lifetime. So when I subscribe this subscription, so it will give me like this features like this, but I will just show you as some a screenshot to teach you how to select a HomeKit scene as action. So number one, you will just when you just tap on it like this, so from here you will just select first of all you will just change the name of the notification. I will just set it sunset sunset at home. So this is my notification name, and in notifications I will just remove it all, which is already app is done. I will just remove it. I will just tab on my like at sunset done, and I will just a little bit scroll down here. You will see the action button. So when I just tap on this add action button, so it will say that you will buy this pro pushcut. But here you will see I will just on the screenshot I will just teach you. You will just select in actions. This is home kit, and you will just tap to clear, and again you will just set the time automation. So you will just set the sunset time, and from here you will just select it uh, days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you want to add peoples when I am home, so you will just select the command from here. When somebody is home, when I am home, so I will just select it why when I am home. So the next step is here you will see the URL. So you will just paste your URL API if you have, and you will just control your home easily. And next is you will just that's it. When you are all set that command, and it is easy to add multiple scenes or select different triggers like at sunset, dinner, evening and movie time. And the next step is you will see you can also add, if you switch your URL method to post in HomeKit, you can specify dynamic texts, titles, even actions as JSON body, or turn on keep notification on your HomeKit as actions to execute multiple scenes from one notification. So that's it. This is how to use and push cut auto notifications. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.